Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest weekly review of Forex and stock markets. The US stock indices closed on Friday on the positive note amid the blue-chip tech giants International Business Machines Corporation and Microsoft Corporation ambiguous reports. S&P 500 ticked higher, gaining 0.9% to 1,555.25 points. Telecommunicating and consumer sectors were best performing, while technology and energy industries fell the most. The Dow Jones Index was trading in red much of the session. However, it managed to rise 0.1% at the end of the day to 14,547.51. IBM stock slumped 8.3% after the dismal quarter report was released, defying the Wall Street expectations. The technology-laden Nasdaq edged up 1.3% to 3,206.06 points. Nevertheless, the stock market wrapped up the worst week of 2013 despite the Friday's profit. S&P 500 lost 2.1% for the week, the biggest drag since November. The Dow Jones shed 2.1%, the worst result since June. Nasdaq Composite dropped 2.7%, the biggest hit since October. Besides, the last week trading was very volatile, partially due to the quarter reports from 70 S&P companies which fell short of expectations. Microsoft Corporation supported the Dow Jones growth, which extended 3.4% after the software manufacturer revealed its better-than-expected quarter earnings. Microsoft reported $6.06 billion in net income, or 72 cents per share, with $20.5 billion in revenue. The company earned $5.1 billion, or 61 cents a share, a year ago. The revenue totaled $17.4 billion. The economists surveyed by FactSet forecast the profit in the amount of 68 cents per share, or $20.53 billion. In addition, Google stocks were the best performing on Friday. The quotes were hovering above $800 and closed at $799.87. Thus, the company gained 4.4% at the session's close. The internet search giant upbeat the Wall Street expectations of the first quarter results, driven by the huge advertising gains. At the end of the first quarter, Google's net income was 15.8% up, totaling $3,346 million against $2.89 billion seen last year. The company's earnings, excluding one-time charges, grew from $10.08 per share to $11.58 per share. The analysts expected the revenue to hit $10.65 a share, with a total income of $11.12 billion for the quarter. Google's revenue, excluding the commissions and fees that Google pays to other sites running its ads, increased to $11.01 billion in the first quarter of the year. This was the latest weekly review of Forex and stock markets prepared for you by our InstaForexs team. Thank you and goodbye.